Hello friends,
Hello.
I am Shubhata Sasrabuddhaya.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Charushila Ramesh Bilazda.
Yeah, now this is all with respect to knowing each other in a certain way. That is, both of us are counselors here. And what we thought that through our discussions, we could be sharing with you certain emotions and responses which have been till now unresolved. So, the name of our podcast is Unresolved Emotions. Charu, can you tell me about your experience?
Yeah, actually, I would like to say that we would be able to more easily connect with each other after discussing these sort of probably you like our discussions. So we are discussing about the emotions which are unresolved and emotions or the tinge of mood swings which take place on day-to-day basis.
Sure.
So, of course, for traumatic reasons, we go to counselor, clinical psychologist, or psychiatrist. But day-to-day basis, we do not go anywhere. So, suppose the newspaper do not come, milkman doesn't put his milk in time. We get irritated. So, like this, these are small tinges of unresolved emotions. I think they create problems in our body. What do you
Yes,
think?
yes, surely. Having had experience of more than 16 years, what I noted was that until the time we resolve them, they keep on piling up over each other, and ultimately they take a toll on our health. So, our mind and our health are properly connected with each other. So this happens that I get sleepless nights, or my diet has gone for a toss, or then I am also going into depression sometimes. The mood swings are obvious, seen by everybody. And then they say, why are you doing this? So there comes our losing of identity. So in order not to lose it, let us try and work on it. Very simply and together. Yeah? Yeah.
So I feel our identity is we should be more prone to happiness.
Yes.
Because even in our philosophy, Sat Chit Ananda is our identity actually. But we are going somewhere else in mood swings and we are getting drifted away by the mood swings, irritation, anger, jealousy. So
This is caused by the fast age. So many implements, appliances have come in market, and today nobody has time to speak with each other.
right.
Earlier they used to listen. Now who is there? There are only us, and we are all the time wanting to showcase our virtues, what we have ate, and what we are drinking on Facebook and Instagram and some such things. So we are showing something which is not there. So each of such show off is causing a problem to us. So we should be ourselves. Let us just see who am I today.
Yeah. So I think now it is a time to remove the masks
Yes.
which we are wearing. So mask of happiness, mask of blissfulness, mask of contentment. These are all masks we are wearing. So I think it is necessary to someday we have to come out of this mask drama.
See, this happens that you're walking, you meet somebody,
Right.
and that somebody asks you, how are you?
Hmm.
And then you say, I'm fine. But are you really fine? At least acknowledge this that I'm not so fine in your home.
Correct.
Over there on the road, yes, you can say I'm fine. But if you start looking at what is wrong in me or which mode am I holding, then it's time that you worked on it. Correct. And got rid of it.
Correct. And I don't think means life is not so more challengeful and our people say ki even in Marathi we say ki there is more dukha than sukha. So I don't feel it is like that. So, traumatic events happen only once, twice, thrice in life. Accident. I would say what is the definition of traumatic event is accident or death of near and dear one or loss of job and no finances. Only three mainly or maximum four is relationship issues. But issues are in our hands. 50% at least I would say
yes.
is in our hands. So apart from these 4 5 challenges, I don't think day to day life there is any challenges. There are small things.
Irritations, upsets.
Upsets.
But why do we think that these are so big?
Exactly.
Because we have not even talked and expressed.
Discuss.
Expression is necessary. Whatever mood swings are there, we cannot say that I'm closing my doors to them. I need to invite them, analyze them, and work on it to resolve.
So,
That's the only way.
correct.
So we'll go step by step.
Step by step.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I think anger is a big
Issue we will
thing.
come to it.
uh,
But priorly, I'm
Yeah.
just narrating one poem.
Hmm.
Sometimes fast, sometimes slow. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes spoken, sometimes shy. Sometimes silly, don't know why. Sometimes kind, sometimes mean. Sometimes somewhere in between.
Hmm.
Sometimes big, sometimes small. Sometimes I'm no size at all. Sometimes brainy, sometimes dim. Sometimes me and sometimes him. Sometimes plenty and sometimes none. Too many me's to pick which one.
Hmm. Correct.
So this is there every day. And I think when we sleep, we meditate on what happened today. And that time, if we are happy with ourselves, yes, we have worked on it, resolved. But if we are not happy and we keep on tossing and turning, then this means that you have not resolved those emotions which
Disturb.
came across. Yes, both those which disturbed you. So we will have a look at this, that several emotions are there which pop up, they drag you, they push you, they pull you, they interfere, they impact. So, what do we do with such emotions? So, we should take emotions one by one and start looking at them in such a way that we want to take each emotion in a little explanatory way and then resolve it by some reply to it.
Correct. So we will take charge of the emotion.
Yes.
And emotions regarding everyday life.
Yes,
Day
every
to
day.
day, small.
Small
So we will
ones.
start with very small, and then
Hmm.
we will go to more bigger,
Hmm.
like traumas and all
Hmm.
this. Later on, we
Later
can
on.
speak
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
So day to day emotions. Let us take anger as a big. Why I am saying anger and anger
Huh.
again, because it is the problem of means everybody.
Most-
It is a
most of us.
universal problem. Ki how to handle the anger.
Hmm.
But anger is the only very big word. So it has got different, like color is having shades. Like
Hmm.
green color is having dark green, light green, olive green. So like that,
Hmm.
anger is having different shades.
Yes,
So we will
yes.
discuss the shades of anger.
Yeah. Let us take a look at some emotions which are anger oriented.
Hmm.
However, they come before we realize.
Ah,
So,
exactly.
what I thought today while I was coming here was this, that somebody came in the opposite way while I was driving in the right way.
Okay. Ah.
And once that person crossed me, I was taken by surprise and I spoke something, X.
Hmm.
And then I contemplated that why did I say this? My glasses are up, he couldn't hear me, but yet it came out as a expression
Spontaneous.
spontaneously. So some things of this sort we need to now take charge, because all of us have small
Correct.
relatives around us,
Correct.
and they start wondering, "Hey, oh my God, why is she speaking the X words?" So some such things should be really taken in charge. That means I should overcome my uh, such bad emotions.
Correct.
There are good ones, but we hardly think on those,
Correct.
and there are bad ones which we keep on repeating. So let us just keep those bad ones aside. Let us try to resolve them.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So calmness and peacefulness
Is what
is
we-
our basic nature.
Yeah, we want to have
Ah,
it.
so we should stick to our nature.
Hmm.
We are deviating from our own nature.
Yes.
So regarding the first emotion in anger, first I think upset.
Yeah.
It starts with upset.
Upset, yes.
So upset example, if you want to give, maid do not come, or our
Ah.
routine works get disturbed by upset.
Hmm.
Electricity goes on.
Yes, many a time.
Huh. So it is Wi-Fi is not working. Then
Hmm.
nowadays it is regularized, but otherwise no,
Yes.
Wi-Fi is not
Yes.
working.
I had gone to a friend,
Hmm.
and I saw the milk was boiling
Hmm.
and it was about to overflow.
Hmm.
And then I said, come on, run and just switch off the burner. And she said, चलता है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा का क्या हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा दूध गिर जाएगा, गिरने दो, उसमें इतना परेशान होने जैसी क्या बात है. तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगा रिस्पॉन्स
हाँ.
कि why should we make a hue and cry of small things. We should let go, accept.
Leave it.
Hmm.
So that is the first emotion, upset. So
upset.
in upset, what you feel, our mental state gets disturbed, in
Yes,
upset. So,
yes. See, some things have happened in the childhood,
hmm,
and we remember them and become anxious and worried.
hmm,
Now, let us say I'm reaching my school,
huh,
and many a time this happened that our bus used to take longer than prescribed, and then I used to get punished for no reason of mine.
hmm,
And then I used to think that, okay, now I'm getting insulted because I'm made to stand in that row where I have to look down
right.
and get embarrassed. So it made me think that I should never reach late. Hmm? But then, in as Pune has grown and we have lost our touch with the time in this way that earlier I used to reach in 15 minutes somewhere. Now it takes me 20 minutes to reach the same place. And then maybe 1 or 2 minutes become here or there. So in that respect, I do become upset. So what I've begun doing is I've begun reaching 10 minutes earlier. So I'm calm and
Calm,
quiet.
at
Yeah.
least
And
peaceful.
my mood remains good.
Ah, comfortable.
Yes.
The situation.
Yes.
Correct.
So,
So upset, I think
Hmm.
what we expect means, upset means ideal we set before
Hmm.
us for certain things,
Hmm.
and then we do not reach to the ideal. What
Yeah.
we said that, for
Hmm.
example, ideal means not in very big terms. Maid will come in time. Will be our ideal
Should be.
situation. Should be, and she doesn't come in time. So upset. This is how it happens. We
Yeah.
will reach in time to particular interview.
Hmm.
We do not reach
Hmm.
because of the traffic issues,
Hmm.
or at run time our the wheel gets disturbed or puncture, so
Yeah.
that we do not get in time. Sorry, tire gets
Hmm.
puncture,
Hmm.
and we do not get in time. So these are the upsets
Hmm.
which disturb us.
Yeah.
So ideal outcome and
Hmm.
actual outcome, there
Hmm.
is gap.
Oh.
So upset disturbs.
Yeah, yeah. One gets upset.
Hmm.
I'll tell you one example of mine. The other day, means for several days,
Hmm.
this message kept on coming
Hmm.
that your bank KYC is required.
Hmm.
You come to the bank.
That comes,
Yeah. So I had done on internet,
Achha.
but yet since I received 10 messages,
Hmm.
I went to the bank, and over there then I had to spend 2 hours, not any less, and then take that token and wait to this to that. And we women, when we do multitasking,
Hmm.
we don't want to waste 2 hours by just sitting idling. So then I went out and did some work and returned. Ultimately, when my number came, that madam across the counter said that, oh, your KYC is already updated. So I said, then why?
Wasting
So,
of time. Then we
wasting
get
of
upset.
time.
Definitely.
So
we
some
get
upsets come this way and that way.
Definitely. Only thing now the task is to calm down as early as possible.
Hmm. And let go.
Huh.
Okay, it has happened. Now I have at least learned that next time I shouldn't be running to the bank for this reason.
Yes.
So this is how
Learning happens.
learning happens. So
Then irritation it comes.
then comes irritation. Irritation is when upset takes place again and again.
Okay. So second step. Second ladder we are just
Yes,
climbing.
yeah, means anger has so many, like you said, color shades. The utmost being the black.
Huh. Correct.
But we want to come down
Come
and to the
reverse.
very light green.
Huh. Reverse. We have to
Reverse,
work
yeah.
on. So
So
irritation.
irritation happens especially in relationships.
Huh.
That I told you this, why didn't you do it?
So to the
Even-
husband saying to the wife, or wife says to the
Or
husband.
mother saying to her son,
Huh.
and some such things.
Close relations.
Close relations, but look at the tone. Oh God, it is really irritated. And if I'm pronouncing that tone, I'm also damaging my son's moods
Hmm.
or my husband's mood.
Exactly.
So should I really? I mean, can't I say in such a tone that instead of me saying you did do this always, I should not be saying it. I should be respectfully saying it. That please next time could you take a look of this or follow your commitment, take some responsibility. So there are ways how to reduce irritations for us and for others.
Of course.
The same thing happens in a office.
Hmm.
In office also, let us say my boss comes in a strange mood because something has happened. And once he starts coming, when I say good morning, he doesn't reply. He goes straight to his cabin. and then I had to show him, or I had to upfront him with what are today's tasks, or what have I done for him today. Yeah, for his meeting, the PPT and all such things. But then I don't know how to approach him because I see that his mood is off. Okay, but then I have to be a little more
Joyous or
joyous, happy,
wear that mask.
wear that mask, show as if nothing has happened, and again say good morning to him. Would you like to have coffee? Begin with such things, and then we of course then bring down the irritation and talk of some sense. So sense is more important than that irritation is.
Exactly.
So, so such things we need to take a note of
Correct, correct.
and try to give a different out of the box reply and tone also. We need to be aware of it. So this awareness is something which
Important.
very important. Yes, otherwise we are in the same tone, behaving in the same manner for years together until somebody in our family gets irritated of us. The reason being us, not them also.
Samarth Ramdas Swami has told in Dasbod that
Hmm.
Sarvo Vishayi Savadhan.
Ah.
So this is Savadhanata means
Yeah,
aware, alert.
awareness.
So
Yes.
alert, aware not only in case of surrounding, with ourselves, our own
Hmm.
emotions, feelings, our
Yes.
own mind.
Yes.
So that awareness has to be there. Yes, I am disturbed. And we should accept, yes, I am upset.
Hmm.
Yes, I am disturbed. Otherwise, people don't accept. Even
Yeah.
if we make them aware, no, why you are angry? No, no, I am not angry at all. So anger is there in the tone, but people are not ready to accept that. So
Yeah.
I think we are all human. We are all imperfect.
Yes,
So,
we are all imperfect. Let us take
that is
take
fine.
this
Huh.
that it's fine to be a little.
Angry, accept, upset.
Be ourselves. Like it's said in Japanese ikigai,
Mm.
that don't look at perfection as a
Huh.
entire box.
Correct.
Look at it like a tree, that it has its own shape, and every day it's different. So if we try to be a little human
Like,
and not too perfect like a machine, then I think we are reaching out.
we are reaching.
That is so important.
Definitely.
In today's fast age, we need to really be there as a support for each other.
Correct.
I've seen the young ones getting carried away.
Right.
So, in order to be
With
with them, in order to have a safe environment, we need to understand them, we need to read them. So, we are looking at all this as unresolved emotions, but we are also looking at your responses where you are going to share with us your problems, and we are going to touch them, and we are going to resolve them.
So I think discharge is very important for these emotions. So
Yes.
many times it so happens that nobody is there to share, to discuss. So
Hmm.
we are here to understand. At least you can share with us that yes, this has happened. So at least from your side, you all will get discharged and
Yes.
will be in a happy mood. So our goal is to spread happiness, be happy
Hmm.
and calm and peaceful.
And have a comfortable, affectionate chair in your house where you can sit and just let go of the emotions which have accumulated in the daytime.
Past life.
Past life means
Past
earlier
life in the earlier
childhood, yes.
And life.
And otherwise, if there is somebody around, or if there is somebody in the neighborhood, or somebody like us who can be contacted, then it's so important that you get that peace of mind. Every one of us is doing hard work, taking all measures, then why not be happy with that? Let us discharge and let us come together
So
again.
I think in the next podcast we will discuss about frustration, anger, hostility, hostile behavior, and more of hatred, resentment.
Oh yes.
So these are
Oh
very
yes.
important tinge of emotions and different tinge of colors. So we'll discuss on these particular emotions in the next podcast.
Yes.
So
In the
till that
meantime,
time,
what is your telephone number?
yeah, my telephone number is 93711
Mine is 98909 14138.
and I am graphology consultant and we are both counselor having a lot of experience in education field.
Yes.
25 years of experience in education field.
Yeah.
So we are here for you. We will here for you to discuss, discharge and help you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thank you.
Bye for now. Take care.